Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll be going over the definition of logarithms and some sample questions. So to start, to put simply, log tells us how many times we have to multiply the same number to get another number. So, to get a 64, how many 4s do we have to multiply together? We need to multiply 3 times. So, the log of this particular example will be 3. You can think of it as finding the exponent. So to start, we will go over the definition of log, which is if y equals to log base b of x, then x equals to b to the power of y. This is what we call the logarithmic form, and this is what we call the exponential form. So, if I give you 8 equals to 2 cubed, then its log form will be 3 equals to log base 2 of 8. I usually visualize the number of the log equals to as the exponent, and the base of the log as the number under the exponent. So as a quick exercise, I will give you a few questions and expressions, and I would like you to convert them either from log form to exponential form or vice versa. Pause the video to try them out. Alright, now let's go over solving for some x's in those expressions. For example, let's say I want you to find what does log base 5 of 25 equal to. According to the definition, we know that the base of the log is the number under the exponent, and the exponent is what we are trying to find. So, 5 to the power of what equals 25? It will simply just be 2. And how about this? What is x in this question? Again, we use the definition and find that the base of the log is 3 to the power of 4, which is the number on the log forms equal to. We find that x is 81. And now let's do more practice questions. Pause the video if you need. And that's it. Thank you for watching everyone, and I hope that this video helped you out. My next videos will be on solving log equations and properties. And yeah, good luck on your exams!